Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we all are in same page on ongoing civil justice sign off is all for Pope Francis, the Lucifer, the Satan, the Antichrist created, tax mandate COVID-19 LGBTQ, which means lesbians, gays, bisexuals, transgenders, marriage, population, and it is a deadliest crime. So, basic birthrights level, all destroyed, stripped off from all civilizations worldwide, is a harshest reality, and nobody left out in the Pope Francis mandated 666 mark of the beast scandal. Yes, I am going to get civil justice for total LGBTQ, that is lesbians population, gays population, bisexual population, and transgenders population, and forced to live with emotional torture forever. And because Pope Francis is Satan is proved, and Queen Elizabeth II is Satan is also proved, and faces of Pope Francis are Satan's, it's also proved, and all nations must should never have criminal justice is also proved, and error of Department of Justice is also proved. So divorce process for LGBTQ population, as in lesbians, gays, bisexual, transgenders, marriage population must be should be annulled, as in dissolution of invalid disqualified marriage. For Satan, Pope Francis only created LGBTQ marriage. And if LGBTQ population are adopted or having a foster parents to the children using the rental womb surrogate pregnancy, then the children must be provided to that rental womb surrogate pregnant women only for the sole custody during the divorce process. Then President Joe Biden must resign immediately for fatal negligence, and I, Vedapriya, becomes Supreme Civil Chief Vatican leader now, and I, Vedapriya, becomes Supreme Chief Family Law Judge for all nations, for I displayed $1 trillion errors of wrongful hell mandate Pope Francis created hell divorce process. I can bail out Department of Children and Families later, and I become medical director for all nations. So, prosecution, crucifixion enforced to humans in different versions and variations across the globe, and that is why civil justice must be served immediately without any delay. So, can you all see how innocent civilians enforced to look at fault mode when innocent? And Pope Francis created always hell for fellow mankind, only always made to look godly, godly, holy, holy, holy fineness, then holy republica like that, and God of USA like that. And why nations, populations without any awareness only worships deadliest antichrist as God as a and this $1 trillion scandal. Yes, I am the mouthpiece for entire LGBTQ, that is lesbians population, gays population, bisexuals population, transgenders population, slaughtered and butchered by Antichrist Pope Francis the Satan, the Antichrist the Lucifer, and I sure will get civil justice count by count to all LGBTQ population, marriage population. Either Pope Francis should say knows what is LGBTQ marriage, or Pope Francis should say he don't knows what is LGBTQ marriage in earth. Either ways, we won the case of ongoing civil justice for $500,000 trillion. Finance medical compensation to be paid to each civilian times for total population. So, can you all understand how emotional level, feelings level, Pope Francis, absolute monarchs, Queen of England, Elizabeth II, just destroyed anything of humanity worldwide, all for fanatic love of crown alone? Absolute monarchs do not have any birthright to enforce LGBTQ marriage worldwide to destroy brain nerve cells damages, and there is no other crime that is deadliest category than to enforce LGBTQ marriage to fellow mankind and stripping of birthrights of civilians, and to enforce and mandate male human operating system and female human operating system to be enforced to be malfunctioned by Vatican Code of Abuse Law scandal mandate, tax mandate, and pain inflicted on LGBTQ population, marriage population worldwide by enforcement, and that is absolutely wrong. So how precious lives of civilians destroyed without awareness in disease life cycle, always disease creators is at fault and never innocent. So for destroyed holy marriage law and destroyed human lives by destroying human brain nerve cells mode, it is absolute monarch Satans must pay $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans. So high where the Vedapriya proved Vatican Jesuits leader Pope Francis is Satan, Antichrist, and Lucifer, and mandated LGBTQ to destroy the human brain nerve cells for innocent population worldwide, and for tax mandate only created COVID-19 666 mark of the beast process model. So Pope Francis must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now is a civil justice served. I should only lead the enterprise software design architect solutions for entire software world. So you all got correct education. How President Joe Biden will resign in next 1 second is because Queen Elizabeth II is Antichrist and Pope Francis is Antichrist, and entire Democrat government will just faint and pass out just by being our YUSA's and kept more. I want to convey I, Vedapriya, eradicated COVID-19 plague as of January 25th, 2021. It can help me when USA government pays me tax-free $1 billion as a salary, using direct deposit process, because I am in absolute finance crisis, and that does immediate salary can help me to take care of my basic essentials. Then Pope Francis is Satan, the Antichrist, the Lucifer created tax mandate COVID-19 time LGBTQ marriage. And Pope Francis must get out for that. Pope Francis must get out of the earth now, immediately, only in volcano in Hawaii. So civil justice as of January 2021 today, according to Holy Bible guidelines, is Pope Francis should pay tax-free $500,000 trillion to each civilian times 7.9 plus billions of humans daily forever. And Pope Francis must resign now, and President Joe Biden must resign now, and I, Vedapriya, become Vatican leader now with salary of tax-free $250,000 per annum with benefits, and I, Vedapriya, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge now, and also I, Vedapriya, to become Supreme Chief Civil Family Law Judge across the globe for all nations now, and I, Vedapriya, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Chief Director for all nations to lead medical services, Center for Disease Control, World Health Organization, and I, Vedapriya, is a true native Indian tribe, is of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and I am the true owner of USA, and USA is Tamil Nadu, and that is why I have to become the interim leader. Then Lord Ripon Building in the Tamil Nadu must be renamed after my name, and USA government should pay me tax-free salary of $1 billion for I eradicated COVID-19 plague fastest than any robo, and also saved the entire human kingdom precious lives worldwide. And I also proved absolute monarchs destroyed national operations, and I also proved Pope Francis is the Antichrist, the hell creator, must never live in the earth. Whatever in Holy Bible is happening now. So civil justice wins, always is wisdom. I am that I am, born to save the world. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now.